Most of you know that I design and sell these signs primarily for pressure washing, soft washing businesses, but I have never gotten to hand deliver one of these signs. I make them for people all over the country. The wind's blowing like crazy. I make them for people all over the country and send them out, and I've sold quite a few of them. Very happy about that. My friend Brian from Soft Wash Pros of Hamilton asked me to produce one for him, so I did. We're going to meet for lunch today, and I'm going to hand deliver his sign. Now, if you're interested in an A-frame sign like this, let me know, because I can fix you up. Look how clear this is. Isn't that great? Stay tuned to the end of the video, and I will show you a bunch of pictures that guys have shown me of their signs out in the wild, signs that I've made and sent to them, and they absolutely love them. Now, I have produced, I don't know, I think I have maybe 15 or 20 different samples, templates that I've designed that cover, I mean, everything, really. Even Christmas lights, if you want Christmas lights. Recently, I made one for a landscaping or a lawn care company. $235 is what I'm charging for this. This is shipping, design, the whole 9 yards, everything, $235. If you will text me, text sandwich, text the word sandwich to 513-235-8474, and I will send you probably 15 or 20 different templates that I have designed. And even within every single template, you can change the colors however you want. You let me know what you want, and I can do that for you. Some people have chosen to put their logo. Some have opted out. Obviously, Brian has opted to just use his name here. He's beginning a big project coming up soon, and I think he's doing some commercial work, and he's needing this sign. So he called me last week and said, how quickly can you get me a sign? So I'm going to take it to him and give that to him today. And yeah, so let me know if this is something that you're interested in. 513-235-8474. Again, text the word sandwich. Very, very sturdy. Very, very sturdy. I don't think you'd be disappointed in this in the least. Very, very strong, very sturdy, and it's not going anywhere. All right, there you have it. Again, 513-235-8474. Text the word sandwich. $235. And by the way, it's always been that price all throughout 2023. Here we are heading into 2024, and I have no plans to change that price throughout 2024 unless things just change. But the plan is to keep it that same price, $235. All right, Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.